Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 17 and 18. Now let us see the next question what he has given. If y is equal to x cube plus tan x, find d square y by dx square. So given you right here students, that is y is equal to x cube plus tan x. So now first derivative you can find differentiate with respect to x dear students. So y derivative is what? dy by dx. So this x cube derivative, x cube is looking like how? X raised to n. X raised to n derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1. In the place of n, what it is here? 3. So 3 into x, 3 minus 1 is how much? 2 dear students. Got it? So now tan x derivative is sec x square x dear students. We got a first derivative. I have to find what? Double derivative, no? Second order derivative also we can find. Again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x dear students. So again differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx will become d square y by dx square constant into function. So constant we can write as this x square derivative is what? X raised to n is what? N into x raised to n minus 1. Here n place what it is? 2. 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. That means x raised to 1 is x only. So then we can write it as what? X square derivative is 2x. This sec x square is looking like what? X square. You also know, I also know that. This is not x, but this is looking like what? Sec x. X square. This is looking like what? X square. X square derivative is 2x, but this is not x, no? Sec x derivative is what? Sec x into tan x. Which you are assuming no? X as sec x. It was not x. If it is not x means you have to take the derivative of that. X square it is looking like x square is 2x, but this is not x. Sec x derivative is what? Sec x into tan x dear students. I hope it is clear. So now what you will get, you see, d square y by dx square is equal to, so 3 2s are how much? 6x. 2 sec x into sec x square x into tan x. This is your required answer dear students. So this formula I will erase. I hope you have understood. So if you are understanding the answer or video, please like it. We'll continue with next question dear students. Please copy this. Let us see the next question dear students. I hope you have liked the channel. So let us see. So differentiate cos inverse sin x. So cos inverse sin x, how to solve, you see. First you give the name for this, that is y is equal to cos inverse sin x. Y is equal to what? Cos inverse sin x. We are giving a name for that. So now see, outside cos inverse is there. Outside cos inverse is there. We can bring cos inside also. There are two methods to solve. But I will show here what? One method. Another method also I will show. Both. So sin I can convert to how? Cos. You know or not? You see the formula. You have learned in 10th standard. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x dear students. Cos 90 minus x is sin x. So in place of sin x I can write it as what? Cos 90 minus x. Will you agree? So now see, cos inverse of cos x is what? Cos inverse of cos x is x dear students. In the place of x, what it is here? Pi by 2 minus x. You have to write it as what? Answer is what? Pi by 2 minus x. Because in place of x is pi by 2 minus x. You will get answer as x, no? In place of x, what it is here? Pi by 2 minus x. So pi by 2 minus x you will get. Clear? So now differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is what? dy by dx. And 90 derivative. 90 means what? Pi by 2 means 90. 90 derivative is nothing but what? 0 dear students. Which is a constant. We will get as an answer as what? 0 minus Derivative of x is 1. So you can write it as 1. 0 minus 1 is how much, dear students? Minus 1. So I hope you understood. This is our answer required. So another method I will show. Please copy this. See dear students, another method I will show you. Same question only in another method how we can solve. So we will give the name for this. Y is equal to cos inverse sin x. Clear? Huh? So how to solve? This is looking like how cos inverse x will say. This is your method how we will solve. Cos inverse x derivative. Cos inverse x का derivative होता है -1 upon square root 1 minus x square, dear students. Cos inverse x derivative is what? -1 upon square root 1 minus x square. In the place of x, what it is? Sin x. You also know, I also know. If it is not sin, x means we have to take the derivative of that. So how to solve this one? You see, differentiate directly with respect to x. So now y derivative is what? dy by dx. Clear? So now see, cos inverse x derivative is what? -1 upon square root 1 minus x square. In the place of x, what it is? Sin x. So you can replace x by what? Sin x. So sin square x I can write. Now dear students, you observe very carefully. This is not x. Sin x is not x. So sin x is not x means you have to take the derivative of sin x. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x. So now see, -1 into cos x is minus cos x, and square root of 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square or not? You have learnt this in 10th standard. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? 1. So plus sin square, if you send that side, 1 minus sin square is nothing but what? 1 minus sin square is nothing but cos square I root. And square root get cancelled. So how much will remain? Minus cos x, and how much it is remaining here? Cos x. So cos x also get cancelled. You will remain with what? -1. This is your dy by dx. You do this method or that method, both the answers will come same only. I hope you have understood. If you are liking the video, please like the button. We'll continue with next question now. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. If y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. So here he has given -1 upon root 3 is less than x is less than 1 by root 3. Then find dy by dx. Very simple question, dear students. We have to find here also dy by dx. So now see, given you write, dear students, y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube whole divided by 1 minus 3x square. So whenever comes like this question, you know that tan inverse outside is there means we have to bring tan only inside also. Very easy to bring the tan here. So now here he is giving x values, no? X values means you have to substitute something. This is a logic behind in tan inverse questions, dear students. So tan inverse or sin inverse, cos inverse. X value is given means you have to substitute something x value. So if he has not given x value, means something he will give sin x by 1 plus cos x. That time you are having a formula. Sin x value you are having a formula. 1 plus cos x you are having a formula. Similarly you have to substitute those formulas and work. Here it is what? X is given. So that's why we will put a x value as what here? Put x is equal to tan theta. And if you take tan on left side, it will become what? Tan inverse x, dear students. So tan inverse x is equal to theta. I will write theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Now substitute in the given equation. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x. X value is what? Tan theta. 3 tan theta minus x cube means what? Tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus 3x square. X square means what? Tan square, it will become x value is what? Tan theta, no? X square means tan square theta. If you know this formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, it's fine. If you don't know also, I will write here 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to what? Tan 3 theta, dear students. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square is nothing but what? Tan 3 theta, dear students. This value I will substitute here. So what we will get? Tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Tan inverse of tan x is what? Tan inverse of tan x. If you don't know, I will write here. Tan inverse of tan x is x, dear students. In place of x, what it is here? 3 theta. So 3 theta I can write. Yes or no? In place of x, 3 theta is there. 3 theta I got. So theta is what, dear students? Theta is nothing but what? Tan inverse x. I will substitute here tan inverse x. Now differentiate this. So differentiate with respect to x, dear students. So derivative of y is what? Dy by dx is equal to, constant is written as is, 3 is written as is. Constant into function means constant you have to write as is. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, dear students. Therefore dy by dx will become what? 3 1 ja 3 whole divided by 1 plus x square, and this is your required answer, dear students. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, please support us and like my channel and subscribe, and we'll continue in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you. Please copy this.